Aloha, my friends. I'm Mike Mareschal. I'm a CPA and fellow entrepreneur. Yes, I'm an accountant and I know lots of cool stuff about taxes and bookkeeping. Yeah, it's boring. My real passion lies with helping my clients build their businesses. That translates to marketing, specifically online and affiliate marketing. Well, yeah, you do need to, you got to have a handle on your bookkeeping and taxes. Yeah, it's boring. But let's face it, if you don't have a steady stream of customers or clients flowing into your company, you don't have to worry about paying taxes or keeping books because you're not making any money. So you really don't have a business. And not just money wise, time wise. You put a lot of time, your heart, your soul into your business. It costs you family time, no doubt, sleep time too. So if you're going to make some money, you've got to have sales. That means systems that generate leads and processes for converting those leads. And that's what marketing is all about, whether it's online or offline. It is way more fun for me to help businesses like yours grow your sales by improving your marketing systems. A lot more rewarding than tracking your financials after the fact, that's for sure. Since I found out exactly how exciting online marketing is, I barely want to take the time to reconcile my own accounts. And that's what this channel is all about. We're going to grow your businesses by improving your marketing. We'll cover funnels, email lists, YouTube subscriptions, Facebook memberships, and the tools and resources that help you build these things. Now, I'm a fan of affiliate marketing. By being an affiliate, which is just a fancy way of saying salesperson, be you in-house or out-house, the marketing concepts are the same, whether you're selling your own products or someone else's products that you believe in. You go and convert leads, sales. But I like an affiliate. I like being an affiliate because I don't have to worry about producing or delivering the product. I can spend all my time on marketing, which is where the action and excitement is. That's what I'm thinking anyway. Now, I've been an accountant for a long time and a big fan of systems, and you just don't turn that off, which I'm trying, but don't be too surprised if I had some accounting tips and tricks, but only if it helps our marketing. Now, I'd love to hear from you and listen to your ideas and or questions. I can assure you, if you have the question, so does many, many others. So please use the comments section below. I'd love for you to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. Better yet, join my Facebook group. There's a link below. There I'll have even more training and resources. Plus, you'll be able to post questions, get answers, or give answers as a community. We all need community and support from like-minded entrepreneurs. Place where you can talk. We're all solopreneurs and we're kind of lonesome cowboys out there. It's hard. You can't really go home and talk to your spouses about things. You don't want to, I'm not going to say scare them, but things don't always go the way we planned. And so we probably fail to talk to our spouses. We've got a facade that everything's fine with our friends and family. You can't talk to them. So you need a safe and secure place where you can ask questions, get support from folks just like you and I. So I'm looking forward to sharing and working with all of you. So stay tuned. This is going to get good. Aloha.